Hello. So in this today's session, I will be highlighting what is meant by demand forecasting, and we look into the definition of forecasting and definition of demand forecasting, and one example where we can able to calculate the sale or the demand for the future by using one of the method called moving average method. So these topics we will cover. Okay. So first let me tell you what you mean by forecasting. As in the definition I quoted, forecasting, as you know, that it is nothing but predicting or calculating the future events, whatever the future events that are going to occur, that can be predicted by using some scientific methods, that we can call it as a forecasting. Generally it is based on time and magnitude. So what is the magnitude and time? Time indicates the period you are forecasting. For example, for next week or for next month or for next day. So that indicates the time, and magnitude means the value. So how much it is going to rain tomorrow or day after tomorrow or for the next week or for the next month. Likewise, it is trying to calculate the future events, or it is trying to estimate the future events. So that is nothing but forecasting. Demand forecasting is nothing but we are using forecasting by using certain calculations where you can able to find likely sales for a particular future period. So for example, if you have 4 months previous 4-month data, if you have, I want to calculate what is the sale in the next month of my whatever product is there. So 4-month data I have. So how can I predict the 5th month how much is going to sell? So that can be done using demand forecasting methods. There are different methods where you can calculate the future values. As you can see in this case, one simple example I have taken. I have considered a company which manufactures ice coolers, and they given different months data of how much there is a demand. That means how much they have sold across all 6 months, and for the 7th month I need to calculate what is the demand for July. So this is simple example I have taken. Okay, these 6 months are the data. These 6 months are nothing but demand for that past 6 months. By using this data we can able to calculate what is the estimated value of ice coolers that will be sold, or how much will be sold in the month of July for that particular company. So here I am using one method called moving average method. So let me tell you about moving average method. So moving average method is basically it tells about you can able to see that moving average indicates that we need to consider recent data for estimation. So recent data we need to use for estimating the future sales. So recent data will be used. That is first thing you need to understand. Or the recent period data. For example, June, May, these are the recent periods. How we can able to supply calculate. For example, if the question was here, in this question he has asked estimates the sales in July by using 4-month moving average method. So that means he has given some parameter of 4 month, where I can able to use the data of the 4 month which are recent. So recent 4-month data I need to consider for calculating the sale. So if he has not given 4, imagine if he has not given the 4, if he gives just like estimate the sales in July by using moving average method. So if he asks like that, it indicates that there is recent period data it will consider. So for example, if I am calculating July, if 4 was not given in the problem, so I will be considering whatever the sale in June is there, the same data will be taken in July also. So the value will be 1000. So this is how we are calculating. For example, since if now you can say that in this case 4-month moving average is given. So how to calculate this? So that means you need to calculate the recent 4-month data and recent 4-month average you need to take. For example, in this case last 4-month data means what? June, right? First month, second month, third month, that is fourth month. Recent 4 months data you need to take the average, then only you can get the next sale data. So now what I will do is I will consider the average of all 4 months, because the question given is 4-month moving average method. So what I can do is, by using moving average method, so last 4-month data I will consider. First is 1000, then it is 900, then it is 800, then it is 400, then it is divided by 4. I am considering the average. So this 4 represents number of periods that I am considering. Okay, 4-month moving average means 4 months I am taking. So this is the demand, recent month demand. Okay, this will give you the value of 775 if I am right. So you will get 775 units of ice coolers will be sold. So this is the estimated value by using 4-month moving average. If you consider 3 month, last 3 month average we will be taking, then this estimated value for July will change. So this is how you can able to apply the moving average method, which is called as a quantitative method in demand forecasting. So this is how we can able to calculate the future sales by using moving average method. I hope you have understood the problem and the concept, and similar method I will be coming up with in the next video. So thank you for watching.